Okay, so this video is going to be pretty quick. I'm just going to go over the new strategy that I've added to the indicator package, the main one. It is 25 per month. Um, this strategies I'm calling the one hit wonder. It is just one trade based on the daily charts. You're only going to be in this trade for 24 hours. So specific things are going to happen. You're going to check at the end of the day based on a new daily candle. So this is a good strategy for those that are working a full-time job. When you get home, you can quickly scroll through your charts. I do have an indicator that will alert you so you can check those charts only and see if the setup has occurred. But you basically taking the trade within the day and closing it out at the end of the next day, or even just after the New York Open, or sometime during that day here. So as you can see, I'm in 3 of the trades. You can see one hit wonders, one hit wonder, one hit wonder. I'm in the pound Aussie, the pound New Zealand, and a US CAD. So let's go have a look at the US CAD. And I'm going to be closing these all out here. It's 9 a.m. So we've got about another 4 hours here. So I'm not going to hang on to these ones anymore. I'm going to close them out. Pound had a nice push to the downside there. But we'll quickly go over that. So you can see we've had a rally up, and I took a short yesterday at the beginning of this daily candle here. And we've had a little bit of a push down, nothing too major. We're about 15 pips up on this one. So I could leave this till the end of the day and just see if we get a bigger push down here throughout the New York session. But that would only give me a couple more hours anyways, so I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to close this one out. Okay. This is good, so if people don't want to swing trade, I could have held this one down into this area here, which is about 64 pips, 70 pips. But that's not the strategy and why I took this trade anyways. So let's go over to the pound New Zealand. And you can see the pound had a nice push to the downside here, right off of previous support, which is now resistance. And we've had a really nice push to the downside. So I'm going to close this one out. You're looking at that. It's about 135 pips. Okay, 213. So we had, and this I just got into it last night here. As you can see, we've had a beautiful push down. So I'm going to close this trade out here, pound New Zealand. And we're going to go to the pound Aussie. Same thing, beautiful push down. And we're actually right hitting support. And same with this one, we're down about 217 pips, which is a really nice push. So we're going to close that down. And that is it for those trades. We're in those trades for not even 24 hours. So it's a really good strategy. Not all the time you're going to get big pushes like that. Look at the US CAD, it was only 15 pips. But it is a good strategy for those that don't want to swing trade and you just want to be in some quick trades. It's based off of the daily chart, so it is great strategy for those that are working. And that's all about this one. So if you're interested, you can head over to the website. I'll put the link in the description. And like I said, this strategy is going to be in the download on the main indicator package, which is 25 per month. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.